What's up guys, David here with another video. We're going to look at how to build a simple neural network using PyTorch. Specifically, we're going to define a network architecture using two fully connected layers and the ReLU activation or the ReLU activation and use it to make predictions on random input data. So let's get started. I have Google Colabs open and we're going to import torch. And then we're going to import torch.nn, which means neural network. And we're going to label that as nn. And then we're going to import torch.nn.functional as f. Okay, now that we have our modules, we can define the neural network. And I got that code pre-made for you, so we can just go over and talk about it. So we have a class named net that inherits from the neural network .module, and we've defined our two fully connected layers in the initialize definition or the function or method. And so here's the first layer that takes an input of 10 and an output of 5. Here's the second layer with the input of 5 and 2. Or I guess the sizes. Input size of 10 and output size of 5. Alright, so in this code, we defined the neural network with the two layers. And then we applied the ReLU activation function to the first layer. And then we fed it again through itself to the second layer. And then we return the result. All right. And then we create an instance of the network by calling the net class, right there, right? And then we'll generate some random input to test the network. We'll use torch.random with the size of 1 and 10, and we'll name that input data, and then we'll pass the input data through our network to get a prediction. We'll call the net object with our input data. So we'll go output. So this is us calling the net and putting our input data as the argument. And then this will automatically call the forward method, and then we'll just print it. We'll just print the output. It would help if I could type. All right, press play, and there we go. We got it. It's as simple as that. You built a simple neural network using PyTorch and made predictions. So if you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, give me a suggestion of what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.